Chocolate, a world of deliciousness. Chocolate, is there anything better? It's creamy, it's dreamy, it's the perfect treat. But have you ever wondered how those cacao beans become a delicious chocolate bar? Let's take a trip to a chocolate factory and find out. We start with the star of the show, the cacao bean. These beans grow inside pods on cacao trees. These trees love warm, tropical climates. They are mostly found in Africa, South America, and Asia. Our journey begins on a cacao farm. Ripe cacao pods are carefully harvested by hand. They are usually a bright yellow or red color. Inside each pod are rows of cacao beans surrounded by a white pulp. This pulp is sweet and tangy. The pods are split open, the beans and pulp are scooped out and left in piles to ferment. Fermentation is important. It gives the beans their rich chocolate flavor. During fermentation, the beans are carefully covered with banana leaves to create the perfect environment for the process to begin. This intricate process takes several days, during which the beans undergo significant changes. The natural yeasts and bacteria present in the air start to work their magic on the beans, initiating a fascinating transformation. These microorganisms break down the sugars in the pulp surrounding the beans, generating heat as a byproduct of this chemical reaction. This heat is crucial as it helps develop the complex chocolate flavor that we all love. The beans start to take on the rich, deep flavors that will eventually become chocolate. After the fermentation process is complete, the beans are spread out in large drying beds to dry naturally in the sun. They need to be completely dry before they can be processed further and made into chocolate. Workers carefully inspect the beans to ensure they have reached the right level of dryness. Drying usually takes about a week or two, depending on the weather conditions and the specific methods used. To ensure even drying, the beans are regularly raked and turned. This helps to prevent mold and ensures that each bean dries uniformly, which is essential for high-quality chocolate production. Section 4. Roasting and grinding, releasing the flavor. Once the beans are dry, they're off to the factory. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming raw cacao into the rich, aromatic base of chocolate. Here they are roasted to bring out their full flavor. The roasting process is crucial as it develops the beans' complex flavors, creating the foundation for the chocolate's taste. Roasting temperatures and times vary depending on the type of bean and the desired flavor profile. Some beans require a light roast to preserve their delicate notes, while others need a darker roast to bring out deeper, more robust flavors. Next, the beans are cracked open and the outer shells are removed. This process is known as winnowing, and it separates the valuable nibs from the less desirable shells. The inner part of the bean, called the nib, is what we use to make chocolate. These nibs are packed with flavor and are the essence of chocolate. The nibs are ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This step is essential as it transforms the solid nibs into a smooth, liquid form. Don't be fooled by the name. Despite being called chocolate liquor, it contains no alcohol. There's no alcohol in chocolate liquor. It's simply a term used to describe the pure, unsweetened form of chocolate in its liquid state. It's just pure, unsweetened chocolate. This chocolate liquor can then be further processed to create the various types of chocolate we enjoy, from dark to milk to white chocolate. Section 5. Conching and tempering, the final touches. This is where the magic happens, turning raw ingredients into the chocolate we all love. To transform the chocolate liquor into smooth, delicious chocolate, it undergoes a process called conching. This step is crucial in developing the flavor and texture of the final product. The chocolate liquor is mixed with sugar and milk powder for milk chocolate, creating a rich and creamy base that will be further refined, and then ground between large rollers for hours or even days. This grinding process helps to break down the particles, making the chocolate smoother and more homogeneous. This creates a smooth, velvety texture that is essential for high-quality chocolate. The longer the conching, the finer the texture. Finally, the chocolate goes through a process called tempering. This step is vital for ensuring the chocolate sets correctly. This involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures. The precise control of temperature is what gives chocolate its perfect structure. Tempering gives chocolate its signature snap and glossy shine. Without tempering, chocolate would be dull and crumbly. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, cooled and packaged, ensuring it retains its shape and texture, ready for you to enjoy. Each bar is a result of meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. There you have it. From bean to bar, that's how chocolate is made. Every step from selecting the beans to the final packaging is essential in creating the perfect chocolate experience.